Welcome to our kitchen, where we bring the essence of Japan to your home. Today's special is the ever-comforting Shogayaki, also known as ginger pork. Let's prepare this beloved dish together. For this heartwarming meal, gather 200 grams of pork belly, half an onion, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, a clove of garlic, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, and 1 tablespoon of sake. These ingredients will unite to create a symphony of flavors. Begin by combining the soy sauce, mirin, and sake in a bowl to create the marinade. Add the grated ginger and garlic to infuse it with their pungent zest. Now, slice the pork belly and onion, and let them join the marinade, ensuring each piece is lovingly coated. Once marinated, heat your pan and lay the pork slices flat, letting them sizzle as they cook to perfection. The onions follow, caramelizing alongside the pork, marrying their sweetness with the savory sauce. As the ingredients come together, the sauce will thicken, and the aroma will fill your kitchen. When the pork is succulent and the onions tender, your shogayaki is ready to be served. And there you have it, a simple yet profound dish that captures the soul of Japanese cuisine. Share this culinary creation with loved ones and savor every bite. Remember to subscribe for more recipes, and until next time, happy cooking!
This program has been brought to you by Tanu.